This is the Wolf Gourmet Countertop Oven. Its extensive capabilities and features deliver the precision, quality, and look of a Wolf range on your countertop. 6 different modes give it the flexibility to confidently proof, warm, roast, bake, broil, and toast, accommodating most 9x13 casserole dishes. The key to even cooking is its 5 heating elements and advanced electronics. The temperature controls have been precisely calibrated for every mode to deliver the best cooking performance. The unique perimeter convection feature gives you faster results. The optimal size, placement, and power of the air vents and convection fan surround your food with circulating heat, preventing hot spots and ensuring even browning and cooking. The integrated temperature probe takes the guesswork out of cooking meat exactly as you like it. Insert it with one hand and set the probe at the temperature you need. The display will change to show the actual temperature of the meat during cooking time, as well as the set oven temperature, without ever opening the oven door. You can use the included baking pan and broil rack together for broiling, or separately for baking and cooling. The Easy Glide rack slides forward smoothly and securely for safe access to your hot dishes. The Wolf Gourmet Countertop Oven has a non-stick interior and a dishwasher-safe removable crumb tray for easy cleaning. The Wolf Gourmet Countertop Oven. Precise cooking, predictably delicious results for any meal you can envision.